7 anti-aging vitamins every man over 40 should take. If you're a man over 40 looking for a younger appearance and more muscular physique, this video is for you. We will show you the 7 anti-aging vitamins that are essential for maintaining youth and muscle health. Number 7 is the most important of all, so stay tuned until the end to not miss this vital information. We will also reveal a vitamin that can make you look up to 10 years younger, something you won't find anywhere else. Watch now and discover how these vitamins can transform your health and appearance. Number 1. Vitamin C. Let's start with one of the most popular vitamins in the United States, known for its ability to aid metabolism and help keep the body more athletic as the years go by. Especially for men who want to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle, vitamin C is a great ally. It is rich in powerful antioxidants that combat aging, as well as fighting oxidative stress and helping to neutralize free radicals that damage the body's cells. In addition to protecting cells from damage, vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, a protein that provides firmness and elasticity to the skin, keeping it younger as the years go by. It also helps in maintaining the body's muscles. A lack of collagen is one of the main causes of wrinkles, skin sagging, and more serious issues such as skin cancer in older men. To include this vitamin in your diet, add citrus fruits like oranges and kiwis, as well as peppers and broccoli to your meals. You can prepare a meal with these fruits alongside chicken breast or salmon. This way, you will have an extremely healthy meal, which will also help with your metabolism and better nutrient absorption. These foods are rich in vitamin C and are excellent for keeping the skin hydrated and looking younger in men over 50. Therefore, it's very important to adjust your diet to include foods that contain this vitamin, which is essential for keeping your appearance younger. If your diet isn't rich enough in vitamin C, your body may show some signs, such as dryness in your hands and skin. If this happens, consider using a supplement with a form that increases nutrient absorption in your body. Number 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is widely recognized for its antioxidant properties and its ability to protect the skin from environmental damage. If you are dealing with issues like dry skin or spots, vitamin E can be an effective solution. It neutralizes free radicals, protecting the skin from damage caused by sun exposure and pollution, issues that are becoming more common in the United States. In addition to protecting the skin, vitamin E is effective in maintaining hydration, helping to combat dryness and flakiness. Over time, it can improve the overall appearance of the skin, making it smoother and healthier. This means that even at 60 or older, you can have skin that looks 20 years old, especially when combined with regular exercise. You can get vitamin E from foods like nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Additionally, consider using creams and lotions that contain vitamin E to treat specific areas of the skin. Incorporating vitamin E into your balanced diet can bring dual benefits: younger skin and a more muscular and healthy body. To enhance the benefits, combine vitamin E with vitamin C and add it to your pre-workout shake along with creatine and whey protein. This way, you maximize the positive effects on your skin and muscle. Before we continue, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. This way, we can bring more videos like this to you. And leave a comment. Which of these vitamins are you using or have used? I will respond to all the comments on this video. Number 3. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the health and renewal of your body's cells. Known for its ability to promote the renewal of skin cells, vitamin A helps keep your skin youthful and smooth over the years. It is crucial for muscle growth and cell revitalization, which is essential for maintaining wrinkle-free, blemish-free skin. Vitamin A promotes the formation of new skin cells, improving skin texture and tone. With regular use, you can have skin that looks like it's 20 years old, even if you're 70 or older. Incorporating vitamin A into your routine can help eliminate wrinkles and fine lines, making it a valuable ally for keeping your skin youthful. You can get vitamin A from foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Incorporate these foods into your diet for better results for your skin. Additionally, skincare products containing retinol, an active form of vitamin A, are also effective. These products can improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. If you're using skincare products containing vitamin A, start slowly to allow your skin to adjust. Use them at night and always apply sunscreen during the day, as vitamin A can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. This vitamin is especially beneficial for men over 40 who want to maintain youthful skin that looks like it's 20 years old. By following these tips and combining them with regular exercise, you can radically transform your appearance. Number 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for overall health, playing a vital role in maintaining bones, the immune system, and consequently, muscle health. As we age, our body's ability to produce vitamin D from sun exposure decreases, making supplementation an important option. In the United States, there are many supplements that contain vitamin D, and combining it with other vitamins like C, E, and creatine can further accelerate results in your body. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which directly impacts bone health and, consequently, muscle health. It also modulates the immune system, helping protect against infections and diseases, which can contribute to keeping your body healthy and your workouts productive. Have you noticed that when you train, you feel younger? This can be attributed to the role of vitamin D, especially in men over 50. Maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin is crucial for bone and immune health. You can get vitamin D from foods like fatty fish, salmon, tuna, and fortified products, milk and cereals. However, sun exposure is the main source of vitamin D. If you spend little time in the sun or live in an area with low sunlight, you may need to consider a supplement. Remember to use supplements to complement your diet and achieve better results for your skin and body. Regular tests to check your vitamin D levels are essential to adjust the amount of supplementation needed. Additionally, taking a 20-minute walk outdoors in the morning can already provide an initial dose of vitamin D. Number 5. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is widely known for its crucial role in blood clotting, but its benefits go beyond that. It is essential for skin health, circulation, and can significantly contribute to muscle health and a more youthful appearance. If you're dealing with dark circles or skin blemishes, especially if sleep has been lacking, vitamin K can be an effective solution to improve your appearance and support your muscle gains. Vitamin K plays an important role in improving blood circulation, helping to reduce the appearance of dark circles and skin blemishes. It is crucial for blood vessel health, potentially helping to prevent issues like varicose veins and hemorrhages. Additionally, good circulation is vital for muscle recovery during workouts. You can obtain vitamin K from foods like leafy green vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and broccoli. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure you get the necessary amount of this vitamin. Additionally, skincare products containing vitamin K can be effective in treating dark circles and improving the appearance of your skin. This way, you can maintain youthful and vibrant skin, even at 50 years old or older. Number 6. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is essential for men who want to maintain a youthful appearance, especially those over 50. This vitamin plays a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood and mental well-being. If you're feeling more stressed or lacking in energy, vitamin B6 might be the boost you need to optimize your workouts and improve your overall state. Vitamin B6 aids in the production of serotonin and norepinephrine, neurotransmitters that directly affect your mood and energy levels. This can lead to better workout motivation, more restorative sleep, and a more balanced mood throughout the day. Incorporating vitamin B6 into your routine can significantly improve your energy and well-being. Additionally, vitamin B6 is essential for protein metabolism and brain health. You can get it from foods like chicken, fish, potatoes, and bananas, which are easily found in supermarkets in both the United States and the United Kingdom. If you're experiencing deficiency symptoms, increasing your intake of these foods can help meet your needs. For additional supplementation, choose a supplement that contains a good amount of vitamin B6, preferably combined with other vitamins mentioned in this video to achieve the best results for your health and appearance. Number 7. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is widely recognized and valued for its benefits, especially in America, for its role in enhancing skin appearance and energy levels. Several studies highlight how vitamin B12 can significantly contribute to muscle mass gain and improve skin health in men over 60. If you're feeling tired or noticing changes in your skin, vitamin B12 might be the solution you're looking for. Vitamin B12 is crucial for blood cell production and cellular metabolism. It helps maintain adequate energy levels and can improve skin appearance by preventing paleness and fatigue. With a vitamin B12 deficiency, it's common to feel exhausted and notice skin changes, such as a paler or more lifeless appearance. You can easily find vitamin B12 in red meats, fish, and dairy products. However, it's recommended to avoid fatty meats, such as pork, which can add unwanted fat to your diet and harm your skin and body's health. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, supplementation might be necessary. Check your vitamin B12 levels with a blood test and consult a healthcare professional to determine the best way to obtain this vitamin and adjust your diet to optimize results. Incorporating vitamin B12 into your routine can help to keep your energy high and improve your skin's appearance, bringing benefits similar to those of an 18-year-old, even if you're 50 or older. If you liked these tips and want more information on how to maintain a youthful appearance and optimize your health, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click on the video appearing on your screen so we can continue our conversation. See you there!